Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no SIM card detected on your Google Pixel 11. So first, what you guys want to do is reseat the card in the SIM tray. So grab your phone, and now what you guys want to do is grab the SIM tray opener, open this SIM tray right here. At first, it might be a bit hard to push it just in, so you can do it from an angle. And once you do it from an angle, you will see that it opened up a little. Now grab it from the left side, and once you grab it, you can see that there's no card, but there is on the other side. So let me just put the phone down for a second. Here we're just gonna remove the card, and once we remove it, we want to make sure that we follow the instructions of setting it up. So we want to match it with the shape that is right here, and this is the only way of doing it. So let's grab the phone back, make sure that we put it correctly, and once we put it correctly, we want to make sure that we swipe it in so that it's sitting in our phone. Now what are we going to do next is we're going to turn on the airplane mode, turn it off, and after that what are we going to do is we're going to reset the network settings. So go over to the settings, to the main page. From here we want to go over and scroll down to system, and in the system scroll onto your reset options at the bottom. Tap on reset mobile network settings, tap reset settings and confirm it with your password if you have one. Then you need to tap it again and you will see the confirmation on your screen. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.